another video. So this time we're trying out something new.
So we're gonna be trying these stuffed mozzarella cheese breadsticks. Comment below if you ever had these. It's a ooey gooey mozzarella stuffed breadsticks. We're gonna see what this is about. Here is the mozzarella sticks before they go into the oven, the breadsticks before they go into the oven, and we're gonna see what it's about.
So for dinner, I made baked pasta panini. So it's like spaghetti, but instead of spaghetti noodles, I use pina pastas. So this is what they look like out of the oven. Let's see what they are talking about.
So these are the mozzarella breadsticks I showed y'all earlier. And I got some mozzarella. The red sauce. The inside looks like. It's not bad. What do you think? It's not bad. You gotta get some mozzarella cheese. Different sauce. It goes good with pasta. It's not that cheesy, but let me taste it. So this is a review of the mozzarella cheese sticks. So we reviewed the mozzarella cheese sticks. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? Make sure you have dipping sauce. I'll probably give it a 7. Something different. It goes great with pasta. So we're gonna be trying these stuffed mozzarella cheese breadsticks. Comment below if you ever had these. It's a ooey gooey mozzarella stuffed breadsticks. We're gonna see what this is about.
So this is what they look like out of the oven. Let's see what they are talking about.